It's about 2 weeks into the big game. Well, yeah, I guess it's the biggest game for me. And I'm naming it Lullaby for reasons that you will see if you stick around to play it. I'm in the woods right now, we chilling. Yeah, it's been quite hectic. I spent a lot of the week just trying to see if this is really what I want to do. Because often I'm like, I don't really want to do this, it's not that important. And yeah, it really isn't that important. But that's kind of the hurdle you have to get over, is really applying meaning to stuff yourself. Going deep into the woods. Let's go. Basically what I've been working on is, one, implementing the dialogue system, because I know 100% that it's going to have a dialogue system. And I watched a really great video. I'll put the thumbnail right here and I'll link it, about really, if you want to make your dream game, you got to build systems, not games. I was like, yeah, I pretty much agree with that. So I built the dialogue system, and I'm working on the picking up block system. Where we're currently at is that I kind of have a playground going on in the Godot scene, picking up blocks, trying to really get the block system down, because the basis of the game is that you put blocks in holes. That's literally the entire game. Other than, some dialogue, but who cares about the dialogue? I did start blocking out the world in Blender the other days. I've been doing a lot of lighting experiments, which have been really useful. Those lighting experiences have mostly been trying to recreate what the twilight hour looks like, because I want the game to take place during twilight, because I feel like that's the best dream vibe. Not to spoil the story. The next video I'll be doing most of the writing, actually. Another thing that's also been on my mind is just, I've been consuming way too much game dev content in the past weeks, mostly trying to learn from my game. Like, I'm always watching it with an attitude, okay, what can I take away from here? And it's getting to the point where there's so much useful advice, but I don't even have time to work on the game. Like, I'm spending working hours just learning how to do game dev, which it's not necessarily bad, but it's also pretty detrimental, considering that I am doing this to, at some point, make money, or really just survive. What comes first is the art. What comes first will always be the art. I literally can't do anything for just monetary purposes. As much as being rich as hell seems awesome, like, I don't know, I just can't do it. So really the art comes first in this game, but at some point I do need to finish it as well. It can be one of those dream projects that just lingers in the background. So you're probably wondering, what is the point of this game? What is it? What am I trying? Like, if I'm so into the art, what is the art about? Well, I'll say this much. It's quite philosophical, but it's not as philosophical as The Witness. It's kind of a nice in-between Outer Wilds, A Short Hike, The Witness. You know how most dream games get made. There's a combination of their favorites. But the twist that I'm adding to it is that I want to bring a surreal vibe to the environment, because one, I don't have the budget to make ultra realistic environmental art, and two, I suck at it, and three, well, it needs to happen in time for it to be completed within. And then what else? Shit, what did I do this week? To be honest, a lot of the week was just spent thinking. Folks is getting a demo out for everybody to play, and currently I'm pretty far away from that. Realistically, I don't know how long this is going to take me, but if it can't take any longer than 3 months to get a relatively polished demo out. So that's really my line. I need a polished demo in 3 months, otherwise it's off the table. So put the countdown timer here, because if I don't have a demo in 3 months, then this channel it's probably flat out done forever, I would say. I don't like using certain words, but I would say that would probably be it.
Maybe subscribe, like, yeah, things should be glowing. I don't know, yeah, like the video and subscribe or something.